from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone enjoys this just quick pickup of our house before we head to a birthday party this afternoon. I hope everyone considers even subscribing. It would mean the world to me and really help out my channel.
I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
Did anyone else see my youngest daughter get those sticky notes off of the wall and then end up throwing them on the floor, and I'm picking them up? I didn't even notice it until I was replaying this video to do the voiceover. It's just, I don't even know.
'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
Okay, I usually don't vacuum my floors before leaving the house, but on this particular day, my floors were just really bad and just needed to be done.
And what I'm trying to say is that you make the sky look blue, even when it is gray, babe. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me, got no reason to be afraid. You're glowing in the dark, you're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. Can't stop looking at ya. You're like a firefly. Guide me out of the woods now. Oh, I think I lost my way, but got you to help me back.
All right, here we are in the kitchen again. This room in my home is just always bad. There is not a time that my kitchen is clean for longer than maybe an hour or two. It's just part of being a mom, I guess. But I will say that I do tell myself over and over that they're only little once, and when they're older and when they're gone, I am totally gonna miss this and the messes that I do have to clean up. So I try to cherish it. I try to not let it stress me out or anything like that.
You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark. Glowing in the dark. Glowing in my heart.
bag right there that I just ran into you actually has my youngest son's, my only son's, but he's the youngest. So anyways, it has his uniform, his baseball uniform in it, and his first game is Tuesday. I can't wait to see him play. It's gonna be so cute.
I'm feeling tired of sticking around while you were gone. You don't deny it. You took me for granted for too long. I followed you out the window. I've asked for nothing for so long. I picked you up and tried again. It's time for me to go solo. You never cared about me, did ya? That's why it's hard to understand. Yeah, say what you wanna say. I wanna hear it, but I don't understand why you're feeling so emotional. Do what you have to do, break the things around you, but I don't understand why you're feeling so emotional.
Okay, I will be posting a fall decorate / clean with me. I'm not sure when. I've been collecting some things from like the Dollar General and the Dollar Tree and some from Walmart. I'm just trying to get a few things. I don't really decorate for fall, even though it is my favorite time of year, which is kind of crazy, but I'm excited to be able to do that video for you guys coming soon.
It's time for me to go solo. You never cared about me, did ya? That's why it's hard to understand. Yeah, say what you wanna say. I wanna hear it, but I don't understand why you're feeling so emotional. Do what you have to do, break the things around you, but I don't understand why you're feeling so emotional. I followed you at the window. I've asked for nothing for so long. I've picked you up and tried again. That's why it's hard to understand. Why it's hard to understand.
Okay, so what is you guys' favorite time of year to decorate your homes? I will say I love decorating for Christmas. Just all the lights, and I don't know, it just makes the house feel so homey.
Feeling so emotional. Say what you wanna say. I wanna hear it, but I don't understand why you're feeling so emotional. Do what you have to do, break the things around you, but I don't understand why you're feeling so emotional.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, deep down.
And of course, there's always dishes to be put in the dishwasher. With being a family of 6, we just can't seem to keep dishes clean for long at all.
What this is, yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets
of course, you can't do dishes without cleaning out your sink afterwards. There's just something about having a clean sink after doing all the dishes that's just so satisfying.
I love the fire. We stumble and fall. And it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light.
And the last thing I will be doing is vacuuming the floors, and then I will be done and we will be heading off to the party. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got a little motivation to just pick up maybe your kitchen and living room. But I hope everyone has an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video.